guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your Wi-Fi password on Mac, and it's pretty simple. If you have updated your MacBook to Sonoma, so this will look similar like on my MacBook. If you have a later version, older version of the update, it may look a little bit different, but basically of course, subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. Now, on the top right here, you're gonna see a Wi-Fi button, so you're just gonna click on it. And as you can see, I am connected to the network. Now, to see the password, you're gonna go and click on Wi-Fi settings. And now to see the password, you may think that you want to click on details, but you won't find the password right here. Right here where it says known networks, you can see the three dots right here, and as you can see, you can copy the password. You will not see the password just like that. You have to copy the password, then, for example, go to your notes and paste it, and you have your password then. So basically, that's it. That's how you find your password on MacBook. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.